you first date, the pie is all pussy. It's a pussy pie. Then you replace it with trust. A little piece now is trust. Then the trust part gets bigger. The need part gets bigger. The fucking the thing where it's like, you know, you're my companion. All that shit get bigger. The pussy pie gets smaller. So this woman pussy's left them their relationship long time ago.
As far as pussy goes, there's only a few crumbs left.
It's pussy crumbs.
So you could have an illustration and use a pie chart of what happens over the years, where it's first, here's the key, red equals pussy. And the whole fucking circle is just red at the beginning. And then, okay, here's green is trust. It's a little sliver now in there. It's almost like, you know, Hispanics and blacks in my neighborhood. That would be the little sliver.
But it's okay because you still have a lot of red.
Yeah.
So you're not even worried.
And those colors are contingent on what you need in your life. So it's like, all I need from a bitch when I meet is some pussy.
You're adjusting.
I don't need that much trust. A little sliver of trust is, hey, bitch, don't put the shit on Twitter. Don't put the shit on my, you know, a little bit of trust, but then it builds to be a relationship.
You're adjusting your pussy portfolio.
Yes.
You're diversifying your pussy because you can't keep it all in pussy over the course of a relationship. You got to diversify.